1 0. Column vector of 1 0. Now get 0. It is a column vector of 1 0. So how do we do tensor product? Simply multiply this one with the entire matrix, and then multiply this 0 with this entire matrix. You will get tensor product. That's it. So it goes 1 to this matrix, we get 1 0. If you multiply this 0 with the entire matrix, 0 into 1 0, and 0 into 0 0. It is a 4 by 1 column matrix. So whenever we encounter like this 0 0, so if you get 1. So what happens to this total state? This one is target, this one is control. So control is 0, the other qubit does not fit. It is get 0 0 only. Next, this is control is 1. Then this becomes split. So it is 1 1. Next this one. What is 0 0? It is a 4 by 1 column matrix. That means ఇక్కడ 4 by 1 column matrix ఉన్నప్పుడు 0 0 అనేది it is belongs to the first one. అక్కడ ఫస్ట్ వన్ దాంట్లో మాత్రమే 1 ఉంటుంది, రిమైనింగ్ అనేది జీరోస్ ఉంటాయి. ఆల్ జీరోస్ ఉంటాయి. అంటే 0 0 అంటే మన ఇది 1 0 0 0. We are connecting all things together. మీరు ఎక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ మిస్ అయినా కానీ తర్వాత మన కనెక్షన్ మిస్ అయినట్టే. So this one goes here. Next, this one goes here. It is 0 0 0 1. Next, this one goes to third column. 1 0. It is 0 0 1 0. Control is 1. Target is flipped. It becomes 1 1. Again control is 1. Target is flipped. So in matrix form, this goes there. 1 0 0 0. సో ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నామంటే మనకి 0 0 అప్లై అయినప్పుడు అదే వస్తుంది. మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అప్లై అయినప్పుడు కూడా మీరు అదే వస్తుంది. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ ఏ కాయిన్ lying flat, it is a classical bit. A coin is spinning, it is a quantum bit. It is quantum property, not classical property. Why? Because the classical property only property, whereas quantum property amplitudes have both magnitudes and phase information. So magnitudes, from magnitudes we can find out the probabilities. From phase we can generate the intervals. So we get the quantum advantage from the entanglement. We get the quantum advantage from the entanglement. What is entanglement? See, if you know the product states, we can almost we know the entanglement just opposite to the product states. So what we say, we can write as a tensor product of x and k. So in entangled states, it is not possible to write as a tensor product. It is not possible to write as a tensor product.